Hello, I'm Johanna Prince, and I'm really looking forward to working with you in the graduate course EDT 580. We will have 2 weeks of online time before we meet face-to-face at the Hutchinson Center for the week of August 7th through 11th, and then we'll have 1 week where we wrap up together afterwards. The course officially begins online on next Monday, July 24th, but I wanted to open everything up so that those of you that want to work ahead are able to do so. So this is the whole Institute homepage. Over at the top right, you'll find that there is a page that's specifically about our course. And on that first page is the syllabus for the course, kind of what to expect, what are the different elements involved in the course. And then under that same pull-down menu, there is, each week we'll have a posted page. So this first one, there will be some getting started and course setup that you'll need to do. So you will need to make sure your @maine.edu email account is active because that's how you'll log on to the systems. It's also the official channel for communication for the graduate course. You'll need to add a photograph, or you can add an avatar, like a comic image if you'd like, to your @maine.edu email account so that we can begin to identify you. There's a survey that I'm sending you in the email that I'd like you to complete by next Tuesday. You're going to post an introduction to the course Padlet, and if you're not familiar with Padlet, it's like a digital corkboard, and with the plus button down at the bottom you should be able to add a new post, and you can add a photo to it. Just introduce yourself to the others in the class so that we can again get to know you. And then you're going to need to use Google Classroom, which is our learning management software that we'll use for the course. And the email that I sent you has a link, and you'll also get an invitation from Google Classroom. When you go to Google Classroom, the URL is up here. You're just going to want to make sure that you're logged in under your @maine.edu account. Many of you have school accounts that also might use a Google client, and you're just going to need to make sure that you're logged in with the right one. And then you're going to join a class with the code that I sent you in the email. Once you're inside the course, it should look like this. You should see my picture up at the top, and you'll see the other students in our class. No one's joined yet. Here's that code that you'll need. And then on the stream, in order to post, you'll use this big plus button to add a new post for the work. So that's the sort of setup. And then down below, again, we're reading chapters 1 through 7 from Innovator's Mindset. And then you're going to, on the Google Stream, you're going to create a new post, and you're going to add a comment that where you highlight a quote from those chapters that you agreed with, and kind of explain why, how have you seen that in action, what connections does it make for you, and then share a quote that either you're not sure you totally agree with or you flat out disagree with, and explain why. So that'll be in one post, and then you're going to respond or reply to at least 2 peers. And that first set of work is going to be due by Sunday night, July 30th. And if you have any questions, please reach out via email and let me know. We can always set up a call or a Google Hangout so that you're successful in the course. And once again, welcome to EDT 580 for the summer.